A thermal testing laboratory must have at least an environmental chamber. It also must have instruments for measuring temperature and, in some cases, measuring humidity. The first type of thermal testing is environmental testing to see how temperatures and humidity affect materials or products. There are no standard temperature humidity profiles used. They vary from project to project depending on the purpose of the studies. The second type of thermal testing is based on a standard temperature profile. The International Safe Transit Association, or ISTA, provides temperature profiles for thermal testing in ISTA 7D and ISTA 7E. They are used to evaluate thermal performance of temperature-controlled transport packages. They are not intended to evaluate the protection from shock, vibration, and compression. However, ISTA Standard 20 requires a physical qualification of an insulated container by performing shock testing. This is to ensure there is no physical damage to the container, which will compromise its insulation ability. ISTA 7D provides winter and summer temperature profiles for domestic and international shipping with durations of 24 hours, 48 hours, and 72 hours. ISTA 7E provides temperature profiles on exhaustive real-world measurements in the parcel shipping environment. They were designed to be used with a companion testing procedure known as ISTA Standard 20. The 7E profiles cover heat and cold for durations of 72 hours and 144 hours. An ISTA-certified testing lab has access to all ISTA test protocols except the 7E and Standard 20. Standard 20 is required for certified thermal labs. When a lab purchases Standard 20, it will also get the 7E protocol. However, the 7E protocol can be purchased alone. A lab can be certified for 7E but not necessarily certified for Standard 20. However, if a lab is certified for Standard 20, it is also certified for 7E. Currently, 19 labs worldwide are certified for 7E, while only 11 of them are certified for Standard 20. Christian Brothers University in Memphis, Tennessee, is one of the 11 ISTA certified thermal lab. It is the only university worldwide that operates an ISTA certified thermal lab, which makes it an excellent choice for cold chain education. To become an ISTA certified thermal transport laboratory, first, the lab must be an ISTA member. The next step is to download Standard 14 from the ISTA website. It outlines the certification process. ISTA Standard 20 must then be purchased. It comes with ISTA 7E. To operate an ISTA certified thermal transport lab, one lab employee must be certified as a certified thermal professional at Level 2. The lab then submits a complete pre-audit documentation using Form 0045. The last step is to undergo an on-site audit. Recertification is required every 2 years.